of the lesson that will demonstrate how to fill out your slide representing your concerns about world problems. So here is a slide and I'm going to demonstrate how to fill this out. The first thing you'll want to do is go to your desktop and right-click and choose New Folder and type in World Problems. I'm going to go to a new window and I'm going to go ahead and go to Pixabay to get copyright-friendly images. I'm going to type in one of my concerns, which is overpopulation, and I'll go ahead and look for an image. So Pixabay didn't have a lot of images on overpopulation, so I'm going to go ahead and make a new tab and I will go ahead and type in overpopulation. I'm going to choose images. I'm going to go to Tools, and under Usage Rights I'm going to go ahead and choose Labeled for Reuse so that I don't break copyright laws. And now I'll look for an image. When you find an image, select it. Make sure it's of good quality, and I'm going to right-click and choose Save Image As. I will go to that desktop folder called World Problems, and I will name it Overpopulation. And now I'll find another image, so I'll type in Environmental Degradation and look for something that represents my concern for world problems. So that search is not helping. I might type in pollution. I went ahead and changed my search again and typed in deforestation. So I will select this image, I will right-click and save that image and call it deforestation. And I'll go ahead and get my last image. For the one on poverty, I went to Pixabay and I typed in poor children. So I'll go ahead and click on that image. I will right-click and choose Save Image As and type in poverty. So when you return to your slide, you would select the image, you would choose Replace Image, Upload from Computer, and then go to that folder on your desktop and start adding the images. And then you're going to choose one of the topics and find a quote to put at the bottom here to add your quote about one of these concerns. So I'm going to make a new tab and I'm going to type in poverty quotes. And I'm going to choose images. I find that students enjoy looking at the images and reading the quotes. And I'm going to locate one that I want to add to my slide. So I really like this one. I'm going to right-click and choose Copy. And I'm going to go to my slide and I'm going to right-click and choose Paste. And I'm going to go ahead and with that there, I'm going to select this text. I'm going to put a quote and then I'm going to type in the quote. I'm then going to go ahead and put an end quote and I'm going to put a little symbol and type in the name of the author. So that's Nelson Mandela. Just to be sure, I'm going to go ahead and take this quote. I'm going to do Control-C to copy it, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste it in the search just to double check that Nelson Mandela is the author of that quote. Because sometimes I'll have images with quotes and not necessarily the correct person. So you want to make sure that that is correct. After doing a little research, I have concluded that Nelson Mandela is the author. If you do not know for sure, type anonymous. I went ahead and added text boxes underneath because I forgot you need to type in the problems. It's almost done. You do need to put your name. The final step will involve finding a video on one of these topics, providing solutions to one of these problems. So I went ahead and put Solving World Population, and I found a video and I watched it and I really like it. I think it's helpful and beneficial. It is less than 10 minutes. You don't want something more than 10 minutes because it might be a bit long for your peers to watch. 10 minutes or less, make sure you like it, make sure it's beneficial, and when you like it, go ahead and select the URL. You would right-click and choose Copy. Go back to your slide, select that video icon, go to the hyperlink, and go ahead and right-click and choose Paste and then Apply. Your slide is now complete. Hopefully your teacher will assign at least 2 students for you to provide constructive feedback to. This concludes the session on how to set up your slide for the unit on world problems. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.